Okay, so I made about 3 videos on this topic. This may be the very last time that I talk about it. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the black screen blinking red light. Knowing my old self, I panicked because my sister is the one that bought me the phone. I only owned it for about a week and already it's messed up somehow. Now, I know for a fact, knowing my sister, she would have blamed me thinking that I'm the one that caused that to happen. I dropped the phone, I went inside it, I did something to fuck it up. First, I'm going to be explaining to you why this happens. And second, we're going to be going through the most effective processes in order to repair this issue. Now, the reason a black screen blinking red light is a thing is simple. Your phone is attempting to protect itself from whatever malware or software you downloaded, causing the phone to go in this deprivation or hibernation mode in order to prevent any of these softwares from being messed up. The only reason I know that's true is because back in the days I used to do stuff like break my phone or unlock my phone in order to access more advanced features. So I probably did it with the 𝐿TE-Z downloaded the software, everything was working fine, went to sleep, woke up, and it was in that state. If any of the methods in this video does not work for you, it means one of 2 things or 3 things. Your phone is water damaged. You want to verify that the phone is in fact not water damaged. Examine the screen, see if there's any water within it. 2. Now the phone may be cracked. You just don't see it. Now there's a chance that you rolled over your phone and it caused the LCD to crack and not the digitizer. Therefore, it's hard to see that it's in fact cracked. Turn on the flashlight from another phone and closely examine all the edges and also the actual LCD screen underneath the glass panel in order to see whether or not there's a hairline crack somewhere in there. Method number 1 is pretty straightforward. You want to hold the power button for roughly 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. Never went to school, so I forgot how to count. But anyways, you're going to be holding the power button for roughly 15 seconds. If the phone still doesn't turn on, while you're still holding the power button, what you want to do next is hold the volume up button, once again, while you're still holding the power button. Process number 3. You want to continuously press the power button until the phone turns on. As crazy as it sounds, I have done that method before on the iPhone and got it to power on. Process number 4. Now this is going to require that you have a charger in order to do this method. But anyways, you want to make sure that the phone is unplugged. You're going to hold the power button about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Oh, I forgot 5. But anyways, while you're still holding the power button, you want to stick the charger in there after about 10 seconds. It should boot up the phone. If you have any questions, please let me know what it is down in the comments below.